Alright, so ngayon naman po, joining them are the stars who made this story unforgettable. Let us all welcome Angelina Cruz, Robbie Jaworski. We also have Romnick Sarmenta, Rafael Rosel, Sofia Andres,
Mr. Sam Milby, Jaja Padilla, John Arcilia, Kim Chu, and Paolo Avellino. What an incredible lineup, Migs, diba?
Yes, of course. Truly world-class Filipino talents.
All together in one. Tara naman tayo. One gripping story.
Kasi mapapakapit ka talaga eh, di ba?
Totoo ngayon, sinabi ni Kim na mag-seatbelt ka nga talaga. In this, story about love, lies, and truth.
Yes. Okay, so
daming plot twist.
So ito na po, we are now in this segment, the Q&A segment. Actually, a lot of our friends from the media, questions from social media also. So we can't wait to ask these questions and of course get the great answers from our cast members.
Maaga ang ating friends from the press eh. Kaya exciting yung kanilang mga tanong. Nasilip na natin yung iba nilang kuro-kuro. Yeah, to those watching online, again, please don't forget to use the hashtag #TheAlibiOnPrime.
Okay, for our first question, Aya?
Okay na ba ang ating cast?
Ba? Yes,
bigyan niyo lang ako ng thumbs up kung ready na tayo. Okay.
All good?
Yes.
Okay.
Pero bago sila sumagot, Migs, yan, para sure tayong handa sila sa mga exciting na mga tanong, bigyan natin sila ng oportunidad para mag-hello, mag-hi sa ating mga nakapanood ng first and pilot episode ng The Alibi.
Maybe starting from Robbie. That side, please.
Hello po, magandang gabi po sa inyong lahat. Ako po si Robbie. I play Edward Cabrera. Salamat, maraming salamat po sa pagpunta niyong lahat dito. It was such an honor for me to be a part of this teleserye. It's my first acting experience and I couldn't ask for any more. So it's been such a blessing to be a part of this cast, a part of this crew, to learn under these wonderful directors and writers under Dreamscape. And yeah, I hope you guys continue to watch the show kasi madami pong pasabog tong teleseryeng ito. Thank you.
Please pass the mic. Thank you.
Hello po everyone. I'm Angelina Cruz as Catherine Rose Morales, kapatid po ni Ate Kim Chu. Salamat po sa pagpunta dito. Sana na-enjoy nyo and I'm excited for you guys to see what comes out next.
Ako po si Romnick Sarmenta sa papel na Andres Bonifacio. Hindi, Andres Tolentino. Inspector Andres Tolentino. Again, I'm just blessed to be part of this project. Side note, I'm working with second generation of people I used to work with. I used to work with her mom and his mom. And it's just fun seeing them at work also. And again, sila, for the second time also. And sila Direk Onat. It's just a great blessing to be around creative people. So thank you for staying, and I hope you continue to support the project.
Sofia?
Magandang gabi po sa inyong lahat. At salamat po sa pag-join sa amin tonight. And syempre, nagpapasalamat po ako sa Dreamscape, sa ABS-CBN po and Prime, that I get to work with people I really look up to. I'm just so lucky na I'm still considered as a kontrabida. Siyempre, ang lalaking artista ng mga kasama ko, so parang the pressure is real. But I was able to learn from them, and I'm just so proud to be part of something big. Yeah.
Sam?
Oh. Sorry, getting to see her. I was like, hi everyone. Sorry. Thank you guys all for coming. It's such a blessing to be a part of this amazing project. As you can see, the first episode pa lang, grabe yung impact. And even though my role here is a bit short-lived, I'm still present somehow in this series, and my role plays such a pivotal, yes, it's very pivotal in this cuento. So I'm very blessed to be part of this.
Hi everyone, I'm Rafael Rosel. Bilang Matthew Cabrera, just super thankful and grateful to Dreamscape and ABS-CBN, of course Prime Video, for being given this opportunity. What you saw today is just the tip of the iceberg. It goes way, way deeper, and sobrang excited kaming lahat na mapanood nyo yung totality ng show. As in, kami nga rin sa set, when we read the script, we're like, inaabangan namin yung susunod na mangyayari. As in, sobrang excited. So, thank you so much to everyone for being here, and enjoy the rest of the show when it comes out on Prime.
Shasha Padilla as Jacqueline Cabrera. Hi. Thank you all very much for being here. Ang dami-dami ko nang nasalihan na teleserye, pero nung napanood ko to, sabi ko, sobra, iba, kakaiba siya. At yung character development ng bawat isa, abangan nyo yan. Kasi wala pa kayong masyadong nakikita, parang patikim pa lang. Napakarami pa pong mangyayari. So sana kapitan nyo talaga yung aming teleserye. Napakaganda. At proud na proud ako na makatrabaho lahat. At even at my... kahit matagal na ako sa showbiz, ang dami ko pa pong natututunan sa aking mga kasamahan. At ito, one of my favorite partners now, napakahusay niya, John. Inintroduce na kita eh. John Arcilia.
Akin na lang itong mic na to kasi may buo ko, walang nagkukuha. Anyway, no, I'm sorry. Good evening po sa inyong lahat. And, well, nakita nyo naman siguro, I am so proud to be part of this cast. Kasi sobrang na-inlove ako sa lahat, sa buong cast. Especially sa Kim Pao. No, sila yung, yeah. Sila yung isa sa pinaka-down-to-earth na stars na makakatrabaho mo bilang isang artista. And, yeah. Naku, baka may magalit po sa akin. Ano lang po to na-inlove ako kay Shasha Padilla. I mean, ano pa, isa sa... Conrad, as a character, yes. Kasi sobrang... Shasha Padilla is not just the... hindi lang siya yung divine diva ng music industry, pero she's one of the best actresses we have in entertainment diba, industry. So talagang sobrang... para sa akin kasi dream come true yun. Nakapartner ko ng mahaba si Shasha. So sobrang proud ako na naging part ako nitong... Para naman ngayon lang ako gumawa ng teleserye. Pero kakaiba kasi talaga yung energy namin. So umpisa makita mo lang kami sa on camera na mukha kaming dysfunctional, pero kitang-kita ko, damang-dama ko yung connection ng bawat isa pagdating sa sa behind the scenes. Sobra. Thank you po. Thank you po for coming, and bantayan niyo po sa November 7.
Hello, good afternoon po. Ay, salamat po sa mga nanood ng The Alibi pilot ngayon. So, lahat po nung napanood nyong ngayong episode na to, bantayan nyo po sila kasi habang tumatakbo po yung kwento, it will all make sense. So, thank you po.
Thank you. All right. Direct?
As myself, not this one.
Kim Pao na, Kim
Kim Pao. All right, Kim and Pao?
Muling magandang gabi sa inyong lahat. Maraming salamat sa pagpunta ninyo. At sana na-enjoy niyo yung first episode namin. Tulad ng sabi nila, patikim pa lang ito. Wala pa masyadong nai-introduce at hindi pa fully or lubusan pinapakilala yung characters ng bawat artista dito. Pero I'm sure pag nasundan nyo to ng mangilang-ilang episodes pa, talagang hindi nyo na mabibitawan kada character dahil special talaga ang binibigay ng bawat artista para sa mga role nila. So again, salamat. Maraming salamat. Ito na po si Kim Chiu.
Hello po. Umuwi na po si Kim Chiu. Si Stella po ito. Stella sa umaga, alegria sa gabi. Maraming salamat po sa, nag-enjoy ba kayo? Nabitin po ba kayo? Yes, download the Prime app, 149 pesos lang. Nagbenta. So yun po, every Friday, 2 episodes. Yun lang. Hindi ko na ipapaliwanag yung character ko. Parang nakita niyo na ata lahat. No? Oo,
Para sa Team Live.
Para sa Team Live, yes. Sabi nga, I gave my all. Sana kayo din. Charot. Sana mas madami ang makakita ng masterpiece na ito dahil group effort po talaga ito. Simula po sa mga nagsulat, nagdirect, umarte, nag-ilaw, nag-camera, nag-art dep and everything. This is a masterpiece po talaga dahil hindi po madaling gumawa ng ganitong klaseng drama na suspense, thrill, romance, drama. Kompletos recados po kami. Kaya I'm very proud to be part of this big, big project. Thank you po.
Once again, the cast of The Alibi. Aya.
Oh, Migs, it's amazing in this MediaCon. All those watching online, sana spread you how the chemistry. Ngayon pa lang, we can tell that this is a great show. How they support each other, how they lift each other up. 'Di ba? Yung mga haligi ng ating industriya naririto sa ating harapan ngayong gabi. At from the making to their statements, ba't kayo natatawa, Kuya Romnick? Totoo naman, 'di ba?
Super haligi si Kuya Romnick.
Oo. Oo, and compliment yon. But anyway, let's proceed to the questions that we had from our friends from the press. First up, we have a question from Bandera and Bulgar from Reggie Bonoan. Ang tanong ay para kay Kim. At ang tanong ay, magandang gabi Kim, base sa teaser ng Alibi ay nagpakita ka ng skin. Babasahin ko lang po siya.
As is po ito, ha? As is po, ha?
So, interpreter lang ako, oo. Paano ka po na papayag dito at hanggang saan po ang limit nyo? Dahil ba si Paolo ang partner mo po, kaya pumayag ka? Salamat
Tapos si Ate
po.
Reggie.
Kim, tagabasa lang ako. Sige, you can go.
Siguro naman as a 35 years old woman. Tapos na tayo sa 16 years old role na tini-tini. Pero favorite ko talaga mag-tini-tini, magpakatawa. Pero parang pag tinatrack ko yung journey ko dito sa industriyang to, parang nahati ko naman na siya sa teens, 20s. Sabi ko, anong mapakita ko sa aking 30s? I think it's my skin. Pero, malaki talaga yung tiwala ko talaga sa Dreamscape. As in, sila talaga yung naghubog sa akin. Danica, wala nakakayak! Hindi. Wow na! Yeah. Hala, bakit? Hindi naman siya ginawa as its artistic way. Medyo mahirap na gawin, pero ba't ako naiyak? Gusto ko lang magpakita ng bago at sa mga nagsasabing hindi ako marunong sa ganitong klaseng role. Ito na yun. So, I want to prove all of them wrong and that I can do more than what they know. So, yun lang. So, thank you talaga sa Dreamscape. And of course, si Pao din naman, malaking tulong din siya dahil kita ko naman yung respeto niya sa akin. And sa mga director namin na inaalagaan yung mga shots and yung mga cameramans namin, sa mga nag-iilaw, ang ganda ng launching ng body ko. Thank you so much. And sa nag-choreo sa akin, thank you. Sa gym trainers ko, thank you so much. Pero more than the skin, it's parang more than the skin, it's what's inside me and what I want to show to all my supporters. And kung magkakaroon man ng bagong supporters, maraming salamat po.
Thank you, Kim. Actually, follow-up question dito for Pao. Reaction daw dito, same question. Just following up from this question from Reggie Punoan.
I don't think it's about skin or about parang it's it comes with the maturity of the role and what the role requires. So, minsan talaga may mga character, may mga storya na gustong ikwento at sa mga ganitong paraan kailangan dahil kung nagbebenta naman talaga ng aliw yung character, ang hirap naman kung hindi mo nakikita or napapanood at hindi na ipapakita sa audience na hindi niya ginagawa yan. So it comes with the, also the maturity of the actress. Pero mas character-driven po ito. At kami po dito ay very, very loyal and very, very dedicated. How do I call it? Dedicated. Yung dedikasyon na binibigay namin sa character namin ay purely for our character. At yan nga, hindi niya totally, sige, hindi ko nadadagdagan. Yun lang pa.
And of course, that's mastering the craft. Thank you so much, Kim and Pao, for answering yung buena mano nating mga katanungan.